Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk you through the process of installing a Bimini top on our Basstracker boat. If you're looking to add some shade, a Bimini top is a great addition to any boat. The first step is to gather all the tools and materials you'll need for the installation. The Bimini top kit should come with the frame, fabric, and hardware. You will also need a drill with bits, screwdriver, tape measure, pencil, and probably a helper. Make sure to measure the length and width of your boat to determine the proper location of the mounting brackets. You need to mark the position of the mounting brackets on both sides of your boat using a pencil. Attach the mounting brackets securely to the sides of the boat using the provided screws. Don't forget to drill a pilot hole so that you don't break any screws during installation. Lay out the Bimini top frame components and follow the manufacturer instructions. Slide the frame crossbars into the Bimini top cover sleeves. Attach the front frame and rear frame brackets on either side to the crossbars. Ensure the fabric is taut and evenly stretched across the frame to provide maximum shade and protection. With the help of a friend or family member, lift the assembled Bimini top frame and place it onto the mounting brackets. Secure the frame to the brackets using the provided hardware. Once everything is installed, take a moment to test the functionality of the Bimini top. Adjust the height and angle if necessary to optimize shade and comfort while on the water. And there you have it. We've successfully installed a Bimini top on your Basstracker boat. We hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more boating, fishing, hunting, and outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Night Hare and Outdoors.